Thank you customers for purchasing the 60-liter UV disinfection box by Jensen Lights. This video is regarding the operation instruction of the box. First of all, you read the manual that you have received with the box thoroughly and properly. If you have not received the manual by any chance, just request for a digital copy. So open the box. First thing first, open the box. Open this, take out the cabinet from the packing and install it on a table top or anywhere, any flat surface. Insert the plug of the box inside the socket. It's a 3-pin socket, normal 220 volt socket. You can switch on the plug. After you switch on the plug, you can operate the box through the switch from here. See, when I switch the box, you can see the light coming out from this peep hole, and you can know the disinfection is going on, and the timer has started its operations. So I will show you how to operate the box. Open the box and you install these two racks inside the box. They will be separate in the packing or will be inside this box only. First install them, close the box, keep your whatever objects you want to sanitize, keep them properly. Close the box and switch on. It's as simple as that. For the timer settings, see there is a knob, red knob. This small red button is, you can turn this red button. It's revolvable. So you can use your hand or a small screwdriver to revolve it, and you can see the numbers over here. So you can set the disinfection time from 1 minute to 10 minutes as per your requirement. So you can set this disinfection time as per requirement, leave it over there and turn on the box. You can see two lights over here. Once I turn on, this one, first light is for making sure the timer is working. Second light, when it is on, the disinfection is going on. When it turns off, the disinfection, it means the cycle is finished. See, placement of objects in the box is very important if you want to achieve a good quality of disinfection in the object. See, it is only a surface disinfection that works with the light. Wherever the light will fall on the object, it will disinfect the object. So while placing, make sure that you don't place a very big flat object on the top and something that is blocking the light from here. Then you don't place anything on the below shelf. Keep this flat object in such a way that the other object, the light is not being blocked by a big object for the small object. So keep that thing in mind. One important thing, if in your opinion you feel that the box is made of a very light material, a thin gauge of metal, so keep in mind customers that we have tried to optimize this product for your cost benefit. The main function of the box are the timer, the switch and inside UVC light that we have used utmost of high quality. The timer is of best brand in India. UV light is a Philips UV light that is the best in the world. We have used a branded driver of Philips or Osram. So everything is in the technology sense is perfect. We have kept the gauge to a decent medium level. We have not given you a very heavy box because that will add on to the cost of the box unnecessarily. If the box by any chance in the transit is bent from anywhere, so don't worry, you can just straighten it out yourself or with the help of any technician, and you can easily use the box. If there is a problem that the latch, the door is not closing, you can adjust the door. You can bend the door from the center inside, and so that the latch is able to catch the door easily. If there is any problem with the box, the lights are not working, you see the light is switched off, so it is very easy. You can call a local electrician. That is the fastest way. Call and he will check both the tubes. He can interchange both the tubes and check what is the problem. The driver is faulty, or the timer is faulty, or there is any wiring issue. And if any parts are required, it is covered under warranty till 1 year. Even after that, we can give you the spare parts at a nominal cost, and you can use the box for a long time and maintain the box easily. So this is all for the installation of the box. Stay safe, have a healthy and safe life with the UV disinfection box, and kill all the virus and bacteria in any object that you use. For any further queries or any feedback or any suggestions, you can visit us on our website and email us, or contact us on our customer care numbers. Thank you.